Hello everyone.
The Umkhonto weSizwe Party on Thursday said it would immediately appeal the IEC's decision to remove Jacob Zuma from its parliamentary list. This is according to Nhlamulo Ndlela, spokesperson for the party, who said they were not aware of the merits of the IEC's decision to uphold the decision to prohibit Zuma from standing as one of its candidates for parliament. The IEC said on Thursday that it had received more than 80 objections to the candidacy of parliamentary nominees from several parties, including the Umkhonto weSizwe Party. 8 of those candidates were found to have criminal records, including Zuma. The public and other interested stakeholders had until March 27 to object the candidacy of individuals nominated for parliament by their parties or those standing as independents. Shortly after the IEC's announcement, Ndlela expressed an immediate objection and said, "We are told there's an objection that was made. I have not seen that. And in terms of what the merits of the objections are, but they allude to the 15-month sentence, which we will review. Where I am right now, whatever it is, we will obviously appeal it." The political analyst Chobani Sikalala spoke to Newsroom Africa after the former president was disqualified by the IEC and said the former president was fully aware of the outcome, and surely as the Umkhonto weSizwe Party, they have a plan in place for the party, and further said that the former president has a right to redirect where South Africa may go in terms of politics.
The re-emergence or the reintroduction of Jacob Zuma into the mainstream political activity in this country may introduce that dynamic of a politician that may not disagree with the direction particular institutions are taking and particular prescript that we have held so dear as a country, and may have it within his right to try and challenge and maybe redirect where the country may go. We may disagree with those decisions, with those particular political outlooks, but it does not mean that we must oppose the right of those politicians to hold such opposing views. I mean, we are a democracy of more than 30 years. I mean, we must have matured to a position where we allow diverse views to be able to contend for public popular legitimacy and goodwill, and be able to allow such views to contend in the political space, and for the most superior view to be able to emerge out of that popular contestation. We must not be a democracy that seeks to suggest that all of us are moving in the same direction, whereas there may be a section of our society that may not disagree. I mean, we have agreed with many other people who oppose the direction that we have taken, but it seems that we have allowed the particular public scrutiny on particular individuals not to be able to oppose and have a differing view on where we must go as a country. And I think we must uphold that right of every individual to be able to take such opposing views. Whilst, of course, we protect our institutions from those who disregard them, disrespect them, but we must also understand that sometimes an opposing view does not mean disrespect and disregard.
What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.